Hi everyone, this is Shivani and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss the exam day strategy for CA Final FR. So here I am going to give you all two plans. One is how to revise CA Final FR in 5 days and second one is how to revise CA Final FR in 3 days. Along with that, I am also going to tell you all what should your approach be while revising the subject. So without wasting a moment, let's get started with the video. So firstly, let's discuss what should be your approach while revising CA Final FR before your exam day. At this point, I'm assuming that you guys have made some smart notes for the concepts and you have also marked the important questions. So the very first thing you will do when you start revising any topic is that you will read the concepts. Once you're thorough with the concepts, the next step is to solve the important questions. The questions that you had marked before, you will solve those, you will write and practice each and every question. After you're done with all the important questions, just glance through the other remaining questions. And as you're approaching every question, try to mark out the questions which you found a little difficult while revising it. And the last step will be the questions which you have marked now, you will practice it again once before the exams. So now that we are thorough with how we should revise FR, let's move on with the revision timetable. Since FR is your first paper, I would recommend that you should allot 5 days for the revision. And if you cannot afford to allot 5 days, I would suggest at least go with the 3-day revision. Since it is your first paper, it is very important that your first paper goes well, because that will help you to boost your confidence. And if your FR goes bad, it will impact your further papers. So make sure that you give your 200% in revising FR so your FR exam goes very well. So for a 5-day revision plan, we will start our revision from 27th October. And ahead in this video, I am going to tell you all which topics you should revise on which day. And please make sure that you revise everything in the same order in which I am telling you guys. So on the first day, you will revise business combination, consolidated financial statements, Ind AS 115 and corporate social responsibilities. On the second day, you will revise financial instruments, Ind AS 102, Ind AS 116 and Ind AS 1. So your third day is going to be a little hectic because we are going to focus on revising maximum of the small Ind ASs. So on the third day, you will start with Ind AS 16 and then you will go ahead with Ind AS 38, Ind AS 40, Ind AS 41, Ind AS 19, Ind AS 10, Ind AS 8, Ind AS 12, Ind AS 7, Ind AS 2, Ind AS 108 and Ind AS 20. It sounds like a lot to revise in a day, but trust me, as much as you cover up in this day, your next 2 days will go very smooth. So on the fourth day, you will revise Ind AS 23, Ind AS 21, Ind AS 36, Ind AS 105, Ind AS 101, Ind AS 113, Ind AS 37, Ind AS 34 and analysis of financial statements. On the fifth day, you will re-revise everything that you did on day 1 and day 2. So basically on day 5, you will revise business combination, CFS, financial instruments, Ind AS 102, Ind AS 115, Ind AS 116, Ind AS 1 and CSR. So this was a 5-day plan for FR and I hope you guys found it manageable. So moving on with a 3-day plan for FR. So in a 3-day plan, basically what you'll do is, whatever I have told for 5 days plan, just remove the first 2 days and continue with your revision. So the re-revision part will not happen here. Instead of doing the big chapters first, we will do the big chapters at the last. So whatever plan I have given for the 5-day plan, in day 3, 4 and 5, you will do the same for the 3-day plan of FR. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked the video. In case you guys found it useful, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.